Here we are at the Cleveland Metro Parks Rainforest with my mom, my sister, and my nieces. Should be an interesting trip. They're thrilling, aren't they? It is a video.
They beat us. Oh, are you ready for this? We gotta go upstairs, winding stairs.
To the tree. Excuse me. Watch out, guys. Hey, wait a minute. You guys gotta wait, okay? Let me go with my mommy.
It's my bigger boy.
I don't want to lose my mommy in this tree. All right, you can go now. Hold on. Whew, we made it. I'm going this way. Hey. Hi.
What is this thing here?
Styrofoam and real plant.
Oh, it's still
Looks like a
there.
donut.
Yeah, there they are.
Now, we go into the jungle. I hate now for the tree. Do you see the African leaves? It's so wonderful. It's crazy. Let's go up the tree.
I wonder if he only has one leg. You think?
He doesn't have another leg, right?
Poor baby. Let's adopt him and take him home.
He only has one leg.
Put the hands on the glass. That's not right.
Oh, buddy.
No.
Look at the face.
That's his mommy, that little one.
You can move from it, little guy.
They have like black fingernail polish. Yeah, return. Looks like they have black nail polish.
Look at their funny. Why they look there?
Ethan, look at they're wrestling like you and Daddy wrestle.
Looking at shoes. Oh my God, that freaks me out. Look how they're doing it right at him. Her. Kneel down, just look at her. Nice.